So, this is a video regarding the weighing down uninsulated garage door. Like popping and bouncing a lot when closing. I mean, it opens okay, but it still does that. But when it closes, it jerks around. And yeah, so I'll show you. Alright, now we will close it. I mean, it might be the door arm angle, but I don't know, because that's how it was when we first moved in. It's been like that, and it was fine. And now it's like, it's really flimsy, and it's making like the screeching noises. I think that's because rubbing metal or whatever, but I don't know. I'll have to adjust the down limit because there's light showing on each side. But yeah. Alright, well that's it. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.